There's a better way to write Excel formulas, and most people don't know about it. So today I'm going to teach you, instead of you to memorize your cell referencing, I'm going to teach you how you can easily write a formula or give your range of cells a name so that you can easily reference it. So today we are going to be looking at named range. Named range is when you give a cell or group of cells a name instead of using cell address. So instead of you to be using A1 to B2 or B3, you can give your data a name and use it in the name and use this name in your formula. So why this is useful is that it makes your formula easier to understand. It makes it for someone who is not there to understand your work, and it will make your work look clean and professional. It will even save a lot of time if you are working in a large data set. So let's go ahead and see how to name our range and how to apply it in writing our equations or formula. So we have a small sales here. We have a quantity sold and amount. On the norms, if I want to get the total of this quantity sold, what I would do is to type, let me do it here. I'll do equal to sum, I'll open brackets, or yeah, I'll now select this range from 76 to 60. I think this is it. Press enter. It gave me 1224. Now this is where name range comes in. So instead of me to use these quantities, instead of me to be using this formula, I'm going to highlight this cell and give it a name. So if you look at the name column here, the name box is bearing D578. So what I'm going to do now is to give it a name. Let me put quantity. Alright. So I put quantity and that's it. So this time around, if I want to get the sum of this quantity sold, look at how I'm going to type the equation. Equal to sum. No, sum. Then that name I gave it quantity. I think you can see quantity here. So I click on quantity and here is my answer. Now the difference is that if you look at here, look at the address bar, we have some D75 to D578. But in this second one, what we also have equal to some quantity without any long equation. So this is where the named range comes in. So let me do it again on this amount. Let's do the rough one first. Here, I'm going to put equal to, so, okay, let's solve average of amount of this. I'm going to select from here to the last. Okay, it gave me the average is 11,220. So now let's name this column and then solve it again. So this time around, I'm going to come here. Let me just name it as sales. So if I now want to know the average of here, just like I did here, I'll just put equal to average. I'll just write the name I've given it, sales, without even completing. I'll see it here. Then enter. Can you see that I've gotten the same number? So that is the advantage of name sales. So if you are giving your sales, yeah, range of sales name, when you are solving it, you can reference it at any place at any time. So I know you got value. You have learned how to do named range. So tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying it. and tell me if you got the right answer. Thanks for watching to this end, and like and follow for more. See you in my next video. Bye.